Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute panda. You can use a pencil or a marker to draw. First shape is a big circle. So I'm going to get my spot right there. Okay, and then I'm going to go up, over, keep on going over, and down and around, meeting my end space. I'm going to go one more time just so I have a nice thick line. You can just do it one time, but I want a thicker line today, so I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit thicker. Let me color that part in right there. Cool beans. Next, we're going to make the ears of the panda. So that is going to have an N shape. Ready, and up, over, and down. Here's one. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side, having that N shape. Up and down. Perfect. Next, we're going to make the panda's belly, and that is going to have a U shape. You're going to go down, around, and connect. Down, around, connect. Okay, next we're going to make our feet. That's going to have more of a J shape. Going down and closing it up. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, an opposite J. And down and up. Super, now our panda has 2 legs. Let's get those arms. My panda's arms are going to go inside. So here we go with a U shape, and then we're going to make another U on the other side. Let's get some features. So we're going to make an oval shape for the panda's eyes. It's nice and big. There's one. And then I'm going to make another oval shape for the inside. Then I'm going to do again, I'm going to make that oval shape for the other side of the panda's eye. And another smaller oval shape. Next, I'm going to color in the eyes black. I'm going to fast forward this part, but you are more than welcome to pause it if I'm ever going too fast. All right, let's get that nose. So the nose kind of has a curved triangle. I went a little fast there. Okay, let's draw a cute mouth. Just keep it simple and just have a little diagonal line. Then I'm going to draw some small eyebrows right on top. And there you have it. Our cute panda is done and ready to color. You can use crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you feel comfortable with. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.